Hi friends, I hope you all saw my promo video. As per that, I gonna answer some of the questions for why, what and how. Let's have a look on it. The first question is, why does salt melt ice? When salt is mixed with ice, it lowers the freezing point. Usually, water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, means 0 degrees Celsius. But when it is mixed with salt, it lowers the freezing point significantly. This simply means the ice melts. Quite interesting, right? Next question is, why do apple slices turn brown? Apple slices turn brown when exposed to air because of the oxidation process that goes on. This oxidation process is very sensitive to the ambient temperature. For example, if you place the peeled apple in the refrigerator, the process is greatly slowed down and it will turn several days before it turns brown. If you place it in the hot oven or if you place in the outside of the refrigerator, it will turn brown very quickly. I actually don't let apple turn brown because when I was a kid, I used to think that apple gets angry on me for not eating it and thus it turns brown. Haha, silly mind, right? Next question is, what is a shooting star? Shooting stars look like stars that quickly shoot across the sky, but they are not stars. A shooting star is really a small piece of rock or dust that hits the Earth's atmosphere from space. It moves so fast that it heats up, glows, and it moves through the atmosphere. Shooting stars are actually what astronomers call meteors. Most meteors burn up in the atmosphere before they reach the ground. However, once in a while, a meteor that reaches the enough survives and reaches the Earth's surface. Then it is called a meteorite. How many of you saw a shooting star? If you saw, comment it below. Next question is, what happens when we chew our food? A good question, right? Actually, it is like a silly question with a serious answer. Let's see the answer. Healthy digestion and nutrient absorption begins with a simple act of chewing your food. When we chew food slowly, you are coating the food with a digestive enzyme called amylase, which is found in the saliva in the mouth. This enzyme breaks some starches down into maltose and dextrin. Thus, digestion of some food occurs within the mouth, even before food reaches the stomach. The next question is, how do planes fly? Airplane wings are shaped to make air move faster over the top of the wings. When air moves faster, the pressure of the air decreases. So the pressure of the air on the top of the wing is less than the pressure on the bottom of the wing. The difference is pressure on the air creates a force on the wings that lifts the wing up into the air. Thus, flying in air is really a great adventure experience. The last question is, how does the blood falls of Antarctica bleed? Haha, don't think it has a real blood as it is named as blood falls. It has some chemistry behind it. Let's see. The rust red blood falls is Antarctica's most unique feature. This is literally a waterfall in blood red color. The falls is actually brine or salt water mixed with iron from the bedrock below. When the bacteria slowly chew the rock, the iron is released to the brain, which gives the water a rustic red color. Okay, today's quizzes are quite interesting, right? If you like my answers, like, share, subscribe and comment. I'll see you guys on Friday. Until then, tada, see you, bye-bye.